Accidentally losing contacts on your Redmi can be frustrating. In this video, we'll show you 4 easy ways to restore deleted contacts and keep your communication uninterrupted. Section 1. Retrieve deleted contacts from Redmi via Google service. Option 1. Via Google Contacts Trash. Open Google Contacts. Tap Fix and Manage bin. Select the contact. Long press. Tap the 3 dots and choose Recover. Option 2. Via Google Undo Changes. Open the Google Contacts app and tap your profile icon in the upper right corner. Go to Contact Settings and select Undo Changes. Choose a time range such as 10 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, or up to 30 days. Tap Confirm to restore your contacts. Section 2. Recover deleted contacts from Redmi with Mi Cloud. Open Mi Cloud and sign in. Click Restore from the menu. Select Contacts and click Restore to recover them. Section 3. Restore deleted contacts on Redmi via Recover Deleted Contacts. Install Restore Deleted Contacts app. Go to Recover and tap Start Recovery. Wait for the scan to finish. Select Contacts to restore and tap Recover. Check your Contacts app to confirm restoration. Section 4. Recover deleted contacts on Redmi via MobiKin Software Professional. For more comprehensive recovery without a previous backup, MobiKin Doctor for Android, Windows, Mac can retrieve deleted contacts, even if they are no longer in Google's backup or trash. How to recover? Root your Redmi device for access. Install the tool on your computer and connect your phone. Select Contacts and click Next to start the scan. Once the scan is complete, all deleted contacts will be shown in the right-hand window. You may select the contacts you wish to recover and click the Recover button to restore them to your computer.